What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today, I don't think I could flip it, but let me show you. So today we're taking the 650 in the snow, going to school, and it's just gonna be a time lapse on how the car handles in the snow. As for the tires, let me see if I can show it this way. So we're on our summer tires in the snow. Let's just see how it goes. We're using the Sport Max GT, the Dunlops. The treads are pretty good. I do have a bubble on my front two tires. It's perks of living in New York. But we're going to get to it. We're going to see how everything rolls about. I'm about to put all my stuff in the car. And I'll show you the time lapse and how it is in the snow. So we made it to the Bronx. Car's in one piece. Like I said, we just got the bubble on the tire. It actually did really good. As we got closer to the city, we noticed that from snow it started to rain, and all the snow on the ground started turning to slush. So I was still driving cautiously. There's times where we're supposed to hit the gas. It's just you just gotta know how to drive pretty much. With snow tires, the car did actually really good, surprisingly. I would have felt more comfortable if I had all seasons or strictly winter tires. No brainer. The car did good. Drove all the way from Rockland County to the Bronx with ease, but it did take longer than usual, obviously, because you gotta slow down. Another thing I forgot to mention, we did witness two accidents. One of them was still in Rockland County when there's still snow, and the other one's when we got close to the Bronx. Both the cars spun out. The one in the Bronx, hopefully I caught it on camera, but if not, I'll just let you know it's really bad. It was a Dodge Charger. It was like one of the 2008 Dodge Charger, I would say. Hit the pole of the gas station sign, and yeah, the front end of the car was ruined. The first one we saw, it was in Rockland County. Ooh, there's a big puddle. Rockland County, the Honda Accord, same situation. Spun out of the snow, just went over to the snowbank. But hopefully both the drivers are safe. Like I said, it's crazy out here. What I did was dumb. Don't try to do what I did. Play safe. I just did this for scientific purposes. Like, comment, and subscribe.